Chapter 4. To have the truth seen and recognized. 9-year-old Livia rode south with her father when he moved to Florence to assume his new court post in September of 1610. They left behind the serpentine canals of Venice, where the Doge's palace brushed the water's edge like a fantasy spun from pink sugar and meringue. They crossed the fertile Po Valley and the Apennine spine of the Italian peninsula into the foreign country where the Grand Duke reigned. Italy in the 17th century comprised a pastiche of separate kingdoms, duchies, republics, and papal states, united only by their common language, often at war with one another, and cut off from the rest of Europe by the Alps. The landscape changed. Spires of cedar and cypress trees soared out of the rolling terrain, while ochre stucco houses sank roots into it. Here Galileo introduced Livia to the earth tones and square, sensible beauty of Tuscany. His older daughter, Virginia, already awaited them in Florence. She had gone the previous autumn at the insistence of Galileo's mother, who took Virginia home with her after an unhappy visit to Padua. Finding her son too absorbed in his new spyglass to extend the sort of hospitality she demanded, and her not-quite daughter-in-law not worthy of her attention, Madonna Julia cut short her intended stay and returned to Tuscany. "The little girl is so happy here," she crowed in a letter to Alessandro Piersanto, a servant in Galileo's house, "that she will not hear that other place mentioned any more." Neither Virginia nor Livia had any idea when they would ever see their brother Vincenzo again. For the time being, at least, Galileo deemed it best for the boy, still a toddler, to remain in Padua with Marina. Soon after Galileo's departure, Marina married Giovanni Bartoluzzi, a respectable citizen closer to her own social station. Galileo not only approved of their union, but also helped Bartoluzzi find employment with a wealthy Paduan friend of his. Still, Galileo continued sending money to Marina for Vincenzo's support, and Bartolucci, in turn, kept Galileo supplied with lens blanks for his telescopes, procured from the renowned glassworks on the island of Murano, within the waterways of Venice, until Florence proved a source of even better clear glass.